I'm under the table. Yes, I know. Why am I under the table? It feels nice. I don't know. It feels comforting. Kind of feels like a womb. I don't know. I feel protected. It's different. I don't know. I mean, I've been in here for a year. I'm so fucking bored. This kind of feels like a vacation. It's like the closest thing to a vacation. You know, sometimes you should find like a new place in your home and lay there. Lay somewhere. Find a new place that you haven't been before. I don't know.
Don't judge me.
Okay? I don't judge you. I love you. Anyway, this feels okay. But I'm kind of hungry. I think I'm gonna make some sushi. That's what sounds kind of good. And yeah, thanks for being here. Okay, let's make sushi. Okay, let's go. Let's get up. Okay, I'm serious. Let's get up. Okay. Well, let's make some sushi. I love to make sushi at home because it's really fun and you can control what's in it, right? I could have sushi every day. It's one of my favorite foods. It's one of the wonders of the world. It's one of the miracles of life. And I mean, I also order sushi out, but it's really rewarding to make it at home. So I'm gonna show you how to make like in 5 minutes. I mean, what I like to do is do maybe like 30 minutes or an hour of prep. And then all week long you can make sushi from those ingredients, and it'll be like just within 5 minutes you can make yourself sushi. It'd be just like, you know, before you know it, you're fed. Let's do that, and then let's see how we feel. We're gonna turn this into spicy tuna, and you want to try to use the best tuna quality possible for this. And that means try to get tuna that has not been previously frozen. If it's a dark red color, that's a good sign. If it doesn't have a strong fishy smell and it's odorless, that's a really good sign. Try to use the best ingredients possible, love. This is how I marinate my spicy tuna. I use some sesame seeds, sriracha flavored and black, hot chili oil, some sriracha mayo, some regular sriracha, mirin, soy sauce, wasabi, and some lemon. Make a batch of this and leave it in the fridge. You can use this all week. Honestly, it gets even better with age as it soaks in all the marinade throughout the week. So do it. cut these up before, and this is the prep I was talking about. So these are my favorite ingredients to put inside these rolls: avocado, sprouts, cucumber, the mango, and some long boy mushrooms. I might be missing some carrot here, but you put what you like. I adore these soy paper wraps. They're the freaking best. Seaweed is okay. I just prefer soy paper, especially if we're gonna make these hand rolls. I love hand rolls. That's what we're making here. On the sushi rice over here, that's just some sushi rice that I had left over from takeout. And you can make it, buy a takeout, store it, and then you bust it out. Wow, guys, 5 minutes. It took 5 minutes to make this. It took me a little bit longer because the prep, like I told you, but it's so worth it, Let me get you a close-up for sushi. Wow. A little bit of wasabi. That's like biting into a rainforest.